In this video, I am going to explain whether YouTube TV includes the Zeus Network and how you can access it. As of now, the Zeus Network is not included in YouTube TV's channel lineup. Zeus Network is a streaming service that focuses on urban entertainment, offering original series, movies, and music content tailored to diverse audiences. Since it operates as a separate subscription service, it isn't part of the channels available through YouTube TV. If you're interested in Zeus Network, you'll need to subscribe to it directly through their app or website. However, you can still use YouTube TV alongside Zeus Network by switching between apps on your smart TV, streaming device, or other compatible devices. For example, if you're using a Roku or Fire Stick, you can install both the YouTube TV and Zeus Network apps and switch between them as needed. While they don't integrate into a single platform, having both subscriptions allows you to enjoy a wider variety of content. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV has Zeus Network, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.